Today we had an awesome workshop. We were hosting Ray Barreth in Uganda for the first time.
I am here in Kampala, Uganda, and we've just had a very exciting time with about 35 faith-driven entrepreneurs here in the nation's capital. It was an exciting time of sharing heart, praying together, talking about business modeling, how we love on our customers, how we create, deliver, and capture value, all for the glory of God in the marketplace and for the benefit and flourishing of our customers.
But also connecting with entrepreneurs, growth stage businesses here in Uganda, and trying to map a way forward. We shared in the topic of moving from uncertainty to clarity. And it's been an awesome time hearing entrepreneurs share their journeys of failure, obstacles that they've met along the way, but most importantly, the lessons that they've learned along the way.
I am happy today that Sinapis invited me for this workshop, and what I have learned here is something that is going to be from my generation to another generation.
Today's session with Sinapis was such an eye-opener. I've been working in business and entrepreneurship for up to 20 years, but I love the fact that they come up with different ways in which even us seasoned entrepreneurs can connect and support other entrepreneurs that are starting up in business, encourage them, but most importantly, encourage a community of faith-driven entrepreneurs.
Ray was able to share his personal story, which many of the entrepreneurs could resonate with.
I'd like to encourage you, if you are in Uganda, and if you are an entrepreneur that's struggling with difficult problems, come give us a call. Reach out and contact Sinapis. Be a part of our faith-driven entrepreneur community here in Uganda. There is a home for you. There's a place for you. There's a community where you can flourish, where you can prosper, where you can learn and grow, and where you can increase the value of your company and you can bless your customers.
I would like to encourage any entrepreneurs out there to join these communities, because through these communities, we have connection, we build capacity, we collaborate and come together as a movement that is here to change this country. So I am glad to be part of this. I always attend the Sinapis events, and I'm never left the same every time I come, irrespective of the fact that I am a seasoned entrepreneur.
To the entrepreneurs outside there, I know we have gone through a lot of challenges in our businesses, but I'm giving you a message that never give up in whatever you are doing. Sometimes when you're trying to do your business and you look at things not moving well and they're like getting down, but I'm not afraid to tell you that the moment when you get to that level is the more that you need to get onto your gears, because you are settled, you are valued, your worth is settled, and your journey in business is settled. As an entrepreneur, what is uncertain in your business? If you keep on in your goal, in your vision, your goal will push you until you make it, and you will be clarified on what you are doing.
And we are excited to continue hosting this series in Uganda with other entrepreneurs. We invite you to join the Sinapis community. We invite you to join Sinapis. If you are that entrepreneur out there looking to scale your business, if you are out there looking for an opportunity to engage with like-minded entrepreneurs in Uganda, this is an opportunity for you to join us.
I want to thank you, the team at Sinapis, for the time you've given us, but most importantly, that is building faith-driven entrepreneurship in this country and Africa at large.
We invite you into our growing community followers in the Ugandan marketplace.
And if you need more information about Sinapis, kindly check us out, www.sinapis.org.
Thank you, and may God bless you.